students, yesterday we can see practice set 5.3, but in practice set 5.3 we can learn from question number 1, 2 and today we are going to learn practice set 5.3, but question number 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so whatever be the question number 4, we are started. So first we read the question number 4, what will be given. Two digits numbers are formed using the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, 3, then 4 and 5 without repetition of the digits. So there are the numbers having which 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So there are the 5 numbers they are given, 0 to 5 numbers given, means total 6 digits are given. And they are said when you make a 2 digits number means what? That number having unit place and that number having 10 place. So 10 place and unit place having, so that number is called as the 2 digits number. For example, 10. So 10, 1 is having at the 10 place, 0 is having at a unit place. So you are making such a numbers 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, such a numbers we are making, that is called as the 2 digits numbers. Okay, but when you are making the numbers 2 digits number, there is the one of the condition that number are not repeated. So what is repeated? That can be seen when I explaining the sample space. Okay, so first they are given events. That event name is A, the number form is even. So they want a even number. Okay, so even number they want, but that number from whom? That number from sample space. Okay, so what is the main thing? Sample space is main thing. When you write the sample space, then you write the even number. Even means which numbers? Even means 2, 4, 6, 8, such a numbers. That unit place having 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. So the unit place having that much numbers, that is called as the even numbers. Then we will see the B events they want to write. The number form is divisible by 3. So they are said in the events of B, the number must be divisible by 3. What is the meaning of divisible? Divisible, it can be easily divided by 3. It is divided by 3 means what? In another way, we can say in table of 3. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12. Such a way that is go away. Means that is first you are write the table up to 30. Then afterwards what you can do? 30 plus 3, 33. 33 plus 3, 36. Such a way is divisible by 3 numbers can be written. Okay. Then another event is there, that is the C events. In the C events, number form is greater than 50. So what they are said, they are said that you must be get the number there, but that number must be greater than 50. Okay, so you want to write greater than 50 means 51, 52, such a numbers we are write there. So these all events we can see one by one. First we see A, afterwards we see B, and then we see C. But when you see that events, when you can see the sample space. So first you want to write the sample space. Okay. So you want to write the sample space. So this sample space is written here. They are said you can write sample space with help of 0, 1, 2, 3. Here is having 4 and see this number is 5. Okay. So with help of that number you want to write 2 digits number. But whatever be the condition they are said, condition is that you don't repeat the number. What is meaning of repeat? Repeat means it's 0 suppose. 0, 0. But 0's 2 digits number you cannot write. Because cannot, why? Because the 10th place is there. At the 10th place you cannot write 0 there. So you cannot write the 2 digits numbers of 0. Because why I write there such a things? Because some of the students are think that you means You have taken 0, 1, 2 from, so we can write the numbers from these zeros, but there is the one of the condition, you don't repeat the number. Repeat means what? See, it is the 1 0. So it is 2 digits number. But if I write 1 1 here, then it is called repeat, because 1 is at unique place, 1 is at 10th place. So when there is like 1 1, then that meaning is repeat. When you write 2 2, then that meaning is repeat. Means 11 right? Not. It is wrong, because there is repetition of number. 22 right? Wrong. There is also repetitions of number. 33 writes wrong. There is also repetitions of number. Which number repetition in 33? 3 numbers. 3 3 is there. 44 writes not, because there is also repetition of 4 4. 55 writes wrong, because there is also repetition of 5. Okay, only possibility is up to 55, that you may make a mistake there. So I am explain that you don't write 11. Why? Because there is repetition of 1. You don't write 22, because there is repetition of 2. You don't write 33, because there is repetition of 3. You don't write 44, because there is repetition of 4. You don't write 55, because there is repetition of 5. And you don't. This is up to 5 number is there. So I am stop at 55, because another possibility is not possible there. Are you understand? That first I say what you do not do. Okay, then I will explain you what you do. So you can do the numbers in 2 digits number without repetition, and that can be start from 1 numbers. Okay, that can be start from 1 number. But some of the students are having doubts here. Here is written 0 cannot be at tens. Means what? They are thinking that. That means is, you, if you write 0 1, 0 2, 0 3, 0 4, 0 5, then it is wrong. Why it is wrong? Because 0 is right at 10th place. So at 10th place there is never 0. So in 2 digits number, I am saying 2 digits number. Because then why I am explaining that in 2 digits number, because some of the students said 100, they are also having 0 sir at 10th place. Yeah, 1000, they are also having. But I am on this day, they are having the condition, the number is 2 digits. Why not write there the 0 then? Because if you write 0, then this number is become 1 digit. The value is 1, 0 1. What is the value 1? 0 2. What is the value 2? 0 3. What is the value 3? Are you understand then this thing? 0 cannot be tens. I think all of you understand that. Because if you write 0 1, but that value is 1, then this number is single digits. 0 2, if you write 0 2, but that value is 2, single digits. So don't be do such a mad things. Then we have started to write 2 digits numbers from 1. So we have started the 2 digits number from 1. So here is 1 0. Then after 1 there is the 2 number. So 1 2. When after 2 there is the 3 number 1 3. After 3 there is the 4 number 1 4 14. After that there is the 5 number 1 5. So what can I do here? Are you understand? I am just make a pairs of 1 with each and every number. Means I am started from that 0. 1 0, 10, 1 2, 12, 1 3, 13, 1 4, 14, 1 5, 15. Such a way that one number can make pairs with each and every number. So you are get that number up to 15. Okay. So when your pairs making up to 5 is complete, then you are go to the next number. So which is the next number then? See there, which is the next number? Next number is 2. So you have started from 2. So 2 0 20, 2 1 21. So that is written here 2 0 20, 2 1 21. Don't write 22. So I am not write that 22, because there is repetition of number. So I am not right. You understand? Why not write 11? Why not write 22? Because 11 write then repetition of 1. So it is not allowed. 20 to write then repetition of 2. That is also not allowed, because repetition is not allowed. So here is I write 23. Then after 3 there is the 4 24. After 4 there is the 5 25. After 5 there is the number is completed. Then we can go ahead. So after 2, which number is there? So after 2, there is the 3 number. So that 3 number can make pair with 0. See, that make pair with 0, then make pair with 1, then make pair with 2, then 4 and 5. So I am just making a pairs with 3 of 0. So 3 and 0, 30. 3 and 1 here is 31. 3 and 1 means 3, 1. 3 at 10 place and 1 at unit place. 31, 32. Then 33 is not possible because there is repetition of 3. So it is not right. Then 34. Then 35. Okay. After 5 you have taken next number. So after 3 there is the next number is 4. So I start from 4 with 0. 40. Then 41. Then 42. Then 43. Then repetition of 4. So there is a 44. But we don't write 44 because there is repetition of 4. Then 45. 50, 50. Then another number 51, 52, 53, 54. Again, it is not possible to repetition of pi there, so 55 is not right. Are you understand the sample space? Such a way we write a 2 digits number. So how many is that number? So see the number is 25. So number of x is equal to 25. So here is we can write sample space. Afterwards we can write the events. So which is the events we write a events. So condition for event 6. The number from is even. So what they are said? They are said the number from is even. So here is the A. So A is the number. They are having only even number. I already explained you. Even means at unit place. Here they see there is the unit place. So that unit place they are having 0, they are having 2, they are having 4, they are having 6. 6 is it possible? No. Because they are give up to 5 numbers. So up to 5 numbers there is possibility of 0, 2 and 4. Okay, that's number. So that's numbers are the even numbers. So see here 10, after that 12, after that 14, after that 20, after that 24, after that 13, after that 32, after that 34, after that 40, after that 42, after that 50, after that 52, after that 54. Are you understand how this write even numbers? That all even numbers which is written here, so that all even numbers written from sample space. Okay, they are just taken from sample space because they want even number. So we can select the even number at unit place having 0, at unit place having 2, at unit place having 4. Such a numbers is written here. So that is all the even numbers. So how many is the even number? So see, the number of A is equal to 13. The 13 is the even number. Then there is the second condition they are said. In the second condition, number is divisible by 3. So in the second condition, they are said number is divisible by 3, means 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. Such a number they are called divisible by 3. 3 6 are 18, is it possible? Not possible, because the last number is 5, so you are go up to 15 there. Then another number is also possible. 42 is also divided by 3. So which is the number divisible by 3? That all number written here. So see, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 3 8s are 24, 3 10s are 30, 3 14 3s are 42, because 3 is divided to 40, then 42, then you get 14, 15 3s are 45, 3 is divided to 45, then you get 15, then 51 can be divided by 3, then 17 3s are 51, and 18 3s are 54. Such a way you are getting numbers. So number of B is equal to you are getting 9. You have a doubt here? How can I write that? Because that all numbers were taken from sample space. So remember that sample space is main thing, because whatever you want to take, that all things you are taken from sample space. Is that clear? So I am taken these numbers in set B. That B is taken from sample space. Condition is only divisible by 3. So which is the number divisible by 3? That is the 12, 15, 21, 24, 30, 42, 45, 51 and 54. So such a way there is a 9 numbers, and that 9 number is divisible by 3. Then in this problem, last condition is event is the number is greater than 50. Greater than 50 means we are taken from sample space 51. Yeah, so we are greater than 50. So we are taken from sample space 51, 52, 53, 54. Okay, these are the numbers which is greater than 50. So how many is that? 4. So number of C is equal to what? 4. Such a way we are learn the problem number 4. I hope that all my sincere students are easily understand this. So have a doubt, then ask me. Then I am going to learn practice set 3.4 problem number. Here is 5. So see here, what is the problem number 5? Three mean. Three main. Main means all of you know. Male. Okay, that is in another word in English, male. Three men and two women. Environment committee of two persons is to be formed. So here is we want to make an environmental committee. So in that environmental committee we want to work three men, male and three women. And that committee you want to make. So sample space of this. Then condition A. There must be at least one woman member. So in event A, they are having one woman. Condition B. One man, one woman committee to be formed. Condition C. There should not be a woman member. There must be no woman members. So what is the main thing? Main thing is that sample space. How many men is there? 3. So we are making marking there M1, M2, M3. How many women are there? 2. So we are making marking W1, W2. Such a way. So see here. Here there are 3 men. So M1, M2, M3. I am already asking you that when you are taken men, so we are making mark there M1, M2 and M3. When you are taken women, then we are making mark W1, W2 here. So I want to make a committee. So I want to make a committee yesterday. You have seen the example of boy and girl. If you know that example or if you understand that example, so with help of that example, this example can be easily solved. So in that example, what we do? In that example, we are doing boy first. That is say B1. B1 can be made pairs with all girls. B1 can be made pairs with boy also. Okay, so such a way here is we are doing M1 can make pairs with M2 also, M3 also. Then afterwards M1 can make pairs with W1 also and W2 also. Such a way. So when your M1 is completed with making friendship with each and every member, then we are going towards M2. Then M2 is making friendship with M1, M3. Then M2 is making friendship with W1, W2. Then next M3. So how can we write just in a sample space? So see, it is a sample space. In the sample space, first we making pairs of men. So M1, M2. Then M1 can be make pairs with M3. M1, M3. Then another M2, M3. Okay. So this is the purely main committee. Then M1 can be make pairs with W1. So M1, W1. M1, W2. Okay. So after M1 you have taken M2. M2, W1. After M2 you are M2, W1, M2, W2. M3, W1. M3, W2. And last W1, W2. If anyone don't understand, then I repeat that in Marathi. काय करणार आहोत आपण तर पहिल्यांदा M1 ची पेअर प्रत्येकाबरोबर लावणार. मी M1 ची पेअर प्रत्येकाबरोबर लावली म्हणजे M1 M2 लावली, नंतर M1 M3 लावली, नंतर M2 M3 लावली. बरोबर आहे. म्हणजे इथे जेवढे मेन्स आहेत त्या मेन्सची ती कमिटी फॉर्म झाली. आता M1 ची पेअर्स आपण या वुमेन्स बरोबर लावणार आहोत. म्हणून या ठिकाणी M1 W1 M1 W2 असणार. Then here is M2. M2 pairs we are making with W1. So M2 W1. So here is right M2 W1. Then M2 W2. So here is right M2 W2. Is that clear? Then M3 W1. So here is right M3 W1. then M3W2. So here is write M3W2, then W1 and W2. We will make write a sample space here that number of S is equal to 10. Then we go to the first events. So what is the event? So first event A, there must be at least one woman. So in that events they are said at least. So I already explained when said at least one. Then you are taken one also and greater than one also. Why explaining? Because some of the students had doubt till there. Because I am giving in homework at least one head. So some of the students are thinking that how what I write there. So you can write first at least one head, which is that. And afterwards, if they are having more than one head, that is also right. Okay. So here also same problem is getting here. At least one woman. So you write a committee such a way in that committee they are having one woman. And if you are getting committee such a way that you are getting two men's, that committee is also right here. So see here, it is right the possibilities, what will become. So M1W1 having one woman, M1W2 having one woman, M2W1 having one woman, M2W2 having one woman, M3W1 having one woman, M3W2 having one woman, W1, W2 having one woman. See here, W1, W2 are right here because they are having more than one woman, and it is also possible. Why it is also possible? Because they are said at least one woman. At least. So कमीत कमी एक जास्तीत जास्त किती चालते. So here is W1, W2 is possible. So number of A is equal to 7. This is events A. Then we will go towards the events B. So what will be the events B? In the events B, one man and one woman. So in committee there is only having one man and one woman. You are not right more than one man, means you are not right only men committee, you are not right only women's committee. You must be having there man also and woman also. So that committee you want to write. So that committee you want to write means these events is written up to this. Because up to this, if you are observed, they are having man and woman also. So it must be right here. How can we see? See, M1W1, man, woman. M1W2, man, woman. M2W1, man, woman. M2W2, man, woman. M3W1, man, woman. M3W2, man, woman. So, number of B is equal to what you get? 6. Then events number C. Condition for the event C. There is no man in the committee. They are said in our committee there is not required women. Means there are only men is required. So that can be taken from sample space. Which committee is there? There is not women. So see M1, M2. In that committee there is not women. M1, M3. In that committee there is not women. M2, M3. In that committee there is not women. So number of C is equal to such a way we can complete problem number 6 also. You have a doubts there? Then problem number 5 you have completed. Then we are going to learn last problem in this lecture, problem number 6. I hope that you are understand the problem number 5. If you have doubts, then say me. Okay. Then we are going to learn problem number 6. Whatever it may be, just see one coin and one die are thrown simultaneously. Simultaneously means at a time. At a time. There is simultaneous means at a time. Not doing such a way. One coin is thrown, stop for 5 minutes, then throw die. So don't do such a thing. They are said get die here, get coin here and throw. That is called simultaneously. So see here condition A events to get head and odd number. So you want to write head and odd numbers in this event. Okay, we can explain you when I am give lecture on the each and every event. Then I am that explain. This events B to get head or tail and even number. So what they are said, you can write even number, but that even number make a pairs with head and make a pairs with tail. Then we are going to learn C, event C. The number on upper face is greater than 7. Then what is the main thing you can write here? The main thing you can write here, you can write the sample space. So we are write the sample space. So first you must be write the condition. So what is the first condition? The sample space for coin. So here is we write sample space for coin. So can you guess what is the sample space for one coin? One coin if you throw, you get head. Another possibility, tail. So there is in the sample space head and tail. See here, sample space S. Here is written head, here is written tail. So number of S is equal to 2. So this is for sample space coin. Are you understand the sample space coin? Anyone having doubt here? If you have doubt, ask me. Then sample space for die. So the sample space for die. All of you know very well die because you are in lockdown playing that Lido and new business and another games also. So die is required. So all of you know dice. So the dice having how many numbers? 6 numbers. So what will be the sample space? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So S. S is equal to sample space 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So number of S is equal to how many? Number of S is equal to 6. Okay. So this is the main thing. You are write your sample space, but that sample space is written separately. I want to write the sample space together. So how can you write the sample space together? So you can write the sample space together. Very simple thing. That first you take the head, okay, and that head can make pairs with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I am only explain that head and 1 to 6 number. So do not confuse. So see, I am just start with head. Head 1, head 2, head 3, head 4, head 5, head 6. Are you understand? I am making each number pairs with head. Then I am going to explain you tail. So this is the tail. Tail can be make pairs with each and every number 1 to 6. So that is started here. Tail 1, tail 2, tail 3, tail 4, tail 5 and tail 6. So number of S is equal to how many? 12. Are you understand? How you can I write? Because see, here is the 6 number. That 6 number first make pairs with H. So this is 6. Then that 6 number make pairs with tail. So this is 6. 6 plus 6, 12. And that is C here. So the sample space is 12. So we can see the first events A. So the events A to get head and an odd number. So you can write here head and odd numbers. So just see. It is head. Odd number means 1, 2, 3. Sorry. Odd number means 1, 3, 5. I am stopped 5. Why? Because there is a die. They are having the greatest number is 6. So there is not possibility to get 7. There is not possibility to get 9. So I am stop here 5. Are you understand? So to get head and odd, so H1, H3, H5. So number of A is equal to 3. What is number of A? C. This is first. This is second. And this is 3. So we write number of A is equal to 3. Then B events. The B events, in the B events, they are said to get head or tail. Head also and tail also. But with even numbers. Okay. So that make pairs with even numbers. So I just start with from head. So see even number. H2 even number. 2 is the even number. H4 even number. H6 even number. Okay. So that even number is completed. Then with head. Then what they are said? They are said with tail also. So tail also. So tail 2, tail 4, tail 6. So number of B is equal to how many? 6. So here is written number of B is equal to 6. C events. Condition for event C. Number on upper face is greater than 6 and tail on the point. So this is such a funny question. Why this is funny? Because all of you know very well, on a die, the greatest number is 6. So can you get 7? I am said, the event C, there is written, you get greater than 7 number. So this is funny. Why I am say funny? Because on a die, there is the greatest number is 6. So how can you get 7 and greater than 7? It is not possible. So that events having no elements, so it is empty sets. So here is written. The reason is given already. What I explained, that reason is given there. Then I write the empty set. So C and this sign is empty sets. Such a way we are learn the problem number 4, problem number 5 and problem number 6. I hope that all my students are understand these problems very well, and it is really understand or not understand that can be checked with help of the homework. So for homework I give you one, there is the problem. So which problem is given? See, solve the homework. So there are giving the two problems here. These two problem is given and there is right, find the probability. So you don't find probability. What I taught in this exercise, only write number of that events. Suppose here is written uppercase at least 10. So you write 10 numbers and greater than 10 numbers. But write only number. Suppose this event is A, so number of A is equal to what? That right. You don't write probability. Because in the another lecture, I will explain the how to find out probability. Okay. So in this homework, you are only find out number of events. So here is at least 10. So you are write here 10, 11, 12. Okay. Such a way. So there is the two die they are said. So I am said. So there you are getting up to 12 only. Then not 13 because die having 6 number. 6 plus 6, 12. Then they are said sum on the upper face is 33. Is it possible you are getting the sum of the upper face is 33? Because if one die there is you get 6, another die you are getting 6. So 6 6, how many it is? 6 6, you are getting 12. So this is the event B. The upper face you are getting 33 is empty set because it is not possible. Then C. The digit on the first die is greater than the digits on the second die. The digit on the first die, what they are said, the digits on the first die is greater than the digits on the second die. So first die digits is greater. So you are started from 2 1. There is first number is greater. Then 2 3. Is it possible? No. Because 2 1 there is the 2 is greater. But 2 3 is not possible. Then what you write? 3 1. Then what you write? 3 2. Then 3 4 not possible. 3 3 not possible. Then you go towards 4 1. 4 2. 4 3. Yeah. You stop here 4 3. Because 4 4 not possible. Then you go towards 5 1, 5 2, 5 3, 5 4 and 5 5 is not possible. So you stop. Then here is 6 1, 6 2, 6 3, 6 4, 6 5. Here is you stop. I think that all the three questions I have explained in short because you get some idea. So I am explaining it. But you are only write what I explained and what will be the numbers that you write. Okay. In this question, there also you are only writes the number. Showing even numbers. Even numbers means 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11 and 12. So here is up to these numbers. Then show a number which is multiple of 5. So multiple of 5 means 5, 10, 15 and 10. So such a way this homework I explain you shortly. All my sincere students, please send this homework to my WhatsApp number. Be serious and start your study and stay home Take care. Thank you.